Planning a trip to Uganda from India? In this video, we'll explain the requirements and how to apply. Towards the end, we'll also discuss the immigration tips, so stick along. But before you start your application, make sure you have all necessary documents sorted. This list of requirements goes as follows. An Indian passport valid for at least 6 months, a recent passport size photo, a yellow fever vaccination certificate, a travel itinerary and a return flight ticket, your hotel bookings or accommodation details, and an international debit or credit card to pay the visa. To make things easier, you can apply using the Atlys app. Open the Atlys app or website and search for Uganda. Scan the front page of your passport. Upload your yellow fever certificate in JPG, PNG or PDF format. Add any other travelers if needed. Pay the visa fee using a secure payment method. Now submit the application and wait for the approval. When you apply through Atlys, you don't need to figure out air tickets, hotel bookings or accommodation details before you apply for the visa. Our team of experts will help you with that. Also, you don't need to worry about having an international card for visa process. Once your visa is approved, it will be emailed to you, download and printed before you travel. However, if you prefer to apply directly, follow these steps on the official website. Go to the Uganda Visa portal. This is the link and then click on Start Application. Select your visa type, visa category and visa subcategory. Fill in your personal, passport and travel details. Upload the required documents such as passport copy, photo, yellow fever certificate and hotel booking. Pay the visa fee online and now wait for the approval. It usually takes 2 to 3 business days. Once approved, you can download and print your visa. Now, as I promised, here are the immigration tips. Carry a printed copy of your e-visa and yellow fever certificate. Keep your hotel booking and return ticket ready to show at immigration. ATMs and foreign exchange counters are available after you collect your baggage. Use only official airport taxis and avoid drivers waiting outside the arrival area. You can buy local SIM cards like MTN or Airtel right in the arrival hall. And that covers everything you need to know about the Uganda visa from India. Whether you apply through Atlys or directly through government website, the process is straightforward when your documents are ready. For more travel guides and visa tips, remember to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe to the channel.